In the last lecture we have seen SSL protocol. Now today we will see SAT protocol, that is Secure Electronic Transaction. So this SAT protocol is designed for protecting credit card transaction on the internet, and it is an open encryption and security specification. Actually, the work on this protocol was done in 1996 by Mastercard and Visa, and they were joined by IBM, Microsoft, Netscape, RSA, and the etc. etc. So the need for the set is that the fact that Mastercard and Visa realize that some of the software vendors are coming with new and conflicting ideas for the e-commerce payment option. So to reduce these conflicts, the SET protocol is developed by Mastercard and Visa. So it is not a payment system, instead it is a security protocol which is used for the e-commerce payment. So the SET services are, it provides a secure communication channel among all the parties involved in the e-commerce transaction. It provides authentication, then it ensures the confidentiality because the data or the information is only available to the parties involved in a transaction. Said participants may be a card holder which holds the card, then the merchant from which the card holder can purchase the goods, issuer uh, who issues the cards like bank, then acquirer, payment gateway, and certification authority. So what is the said process? First the customer open an account, okay, then the customer receives a certificate. When customer opens an account, then the customer receives a certificate. Then the merchant receives a certificate. The merchant that wants to accept certain brand of credit cards must possess the digital certificate. Then the customer places an order. That order is given to the merchant. Then the merchant is verified by their digital certificate. Okay. Then the order and the payment details are sent. When the merchant is satisfied, then the order, which order, the order which is placed by the customer, the order and the payment details are sent by the customer to the merchant. Then the merchant requests the payment authorization. Okay. When the order and the payment details are sent by the customer to the merchant, then the merchant sends that details to the payment gateway for payment authorization. Then the payment gateway authorizes the payment. Then the merchant confirms the order and the merchant provides goods or services. So this is the process of SAT. Now we will see the difference between SSL versus SAT. Okay, so SSL and SAT. Main aim is of SSL is exchange of data in encrypted form, while the SAT is e-commerce related payment mechanism. Certification: in SSL, two parties exchange the certificates, and SAT, all the involved parties must be certified. Then authentication: mechanism in place but not very strong, but here inside there is a strong mechanism for the authentication. Risk of merchant fraud: in SSL it is possible because customer gives all the information to the merchant, but here in SAT customer gives only financial data to the payment gateway. Risk of customer fraud possible in SSL because no mechanism exists if a customer refuses to pay later, but instead customer has to digitally sign payment instructions. Action: in case of customer fraud, merchant is liable. Here inside payment gateway is liable. And practical usage is SSL high and SAT is low, but it is expected to grow. So this is the SAT and SSL versus SAT. Thank you.